In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create columns in Canva. If you're laying out a flyer, a newsletter, a resume, or any design that looks cleaner with text split side by side, columns are a quick way to improve readability and balance. Canva doesn't have a traditional columns tool like some word processors, but you can achieve the same result easily using a table. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your design in Canva and clicking on the part of the canvas where you want your columns to appear. Clicking first makes sure the editor knows exactly where to place the element you're about to add, and it prevents it from landing somewhere unexpected. It can help to zoom in a little so you can position everything with more precision. Next, press the / key on your keyboard to open the command menu. This is a fast, universal shortcut inside Canva that lets you search for tools and elements without leaving your canvas. If nothing pops up, click the canvas once and press the / key again. You should see a search bar ready for your command. Type the word table into that search field, then select the option that says Add a Table. Canva will insert a table right where your cursor was, giving you a structured framework to act as your columns. This method keeps everything aligned and evenly spaced without manual guesswork. Choose how many columns you need. For example, if you want a classic 3-column layout, set it to 3 columns when you insert it. Keep your layout in mind. More columns mean narrower text, which can be great for short blurbs, while fewer columns suit longer paragraphs. You'll see your table appear immediately so you can start shaping it to your design. To add your content, click inside each cell and start typing or paste your text. You can style it exactly like normal Canva text, change fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment to match your brand or design theme. If your content varies in length between columns, that's fine, the table keeps everything tidy. Finally, adjust the look and spacing of your columns. Drag the vertical edges of the cells to resize each column until the gutters, the spaces between columns, feel right. For more precise control, open the table settings and tweak spacing options so your text has comfortable breathing room. Small adjustments here make a big difference in readability and overall polish. That's it. Thanks for watching.